Ready to capture the world in stunning detail? In 2025, DSLR cameras continue to hold their ground, offering unmatched image quality, rugged reliability, and a legacy of optical excellence that mirrorless models are still chasing. While the photography landscape evolves, these trusty workhorses remain a favorite for enthusiasts and pros alike, blending cutting-edge tech with timeless design. Number 5. Pentax K1 Mark II. The Pentax K1 Mark II is a powerhouse for photographers who crave exceptional image quality in a rugged full-frame DSLR package. Boasting a 36.4 megapixel CMOS sensor, it delivers stunningly sharp images with rich detail, making it a favorite for landscape and studio shooters who need high resolution without breaking the bank. Its standout feature is the Pixel Shift Resolution mode, which captures 4 images and combines them for enhanced color accuracy and reduced noise, perfect for static scenes like nature or still life, though it's less suited for fast action. The camera's prime IFE processor and accelerator unit push its ISO range to an impressive 819,200, offering solid performance in low-light conditions, though noise becomes noticeable at the highest settings. Built with a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, it's durable enough for outdoor adventures in rain or dust. Its fully articulated 3.2-inch LCD is ideal for creative angles, and built-in GPS and Wi-Fi add convenience for travel and astrophotography with the Astro Tracer feature. With 33 autofocus points, 25 cross-type, it's decent but not class-leading for tracking moving subjects. Continuous shooting tops out at 4.4 frames per second, modest compared to rivals, so sports photographers might look elsewhere. Weighing 1,010 grams, it's hefty but manageable. Scenarios like capturing starry skies or detailed macro shots shine with this camera. Current pricing hovers around $1,800 to $2,000, a value-driven option for full-frame enthusiasts. Number 4. Nikon D780. The Nikon D780 blends the best of DSLR reliability and mirrorless innovation, making it a versatile tool for photographers and videographers alike. Its 24.5 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor delivers crisp, vibrant images with excellent dynamic range, ideal for everything from portraits to landscapes. Paired with the X-Speed 6 processor, it handles an ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable to 204,800, excelling in low-light scenarios like indoor events or night shoots. The 51-point autofocus system, 15 cross-type, is snappy through the optical viewfinder, while the 273-point hybrid AF in live view, borrowed from Nikon's Z series, makes it a standout for video, tracking subjects smoothly. Speaking of video, it shoots 4K at 30 frames per second with 10-bit output via HDMI, plus 1080p at 120 frames per second for slow motion, appealing to hybrid creators filming weddings or wildlife. Battery life is a massive 2,260 shots per charge, perfect for all-day sessions like travel photography. At 840 grams, it's lighter than many peers, easing the load on long hikes. Connectivity shines with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC for quick image sharing. Continuous shooting hits 7 frames per second, 12 frames per second in live view, balancing speed and stamina for casual sports or kids' activities. While it lacks in-body stabilization, lens-based VR compensates. Scenarios like documenting a bustling festival or crafting cinematic shorts play to its strengths. Priced around $2,000 to $2,300, it's a compelling hybrid option. Number 3. Canon EOS 1DX Mark III. The Canon EOS 1DX Mark III is a beast of a camera engineered for professional photographers who demand speed, durability, and top-tier performance in any condition. Its 20.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor might seem modest, but paired with the Digis X processor, it produces exceptional image quality with low noise across an ISO range of 100 to 102,400, expandable to 819,200, ideal for low-light sports or wildlife shoots. The real magic lies in its autofocus, a 191-point system, 155 cross-type, through the viewfinder, and a deep learning-enhanced dual-pixel AF in live view, tracking fast-moving subjects like athletes or birds with uncanny precision. Video is equally impressive, offering 5.5K RAW at 60 frames per second internally, plus 4K at 60 frames per second with 10-bit color, perfect for pro-grade filmmaking like documentaries. Its 3.2-inch touchscreen is fixed but responsive, and dual CFX press slots ensure rapid data handling. Battery life stretches to 2,850 shots, supporting marathon sessions. At 1,440 grams, it's hefty, but pros won't mind for its reliability. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS streamline workflows for on-the-go pros. While it lacks in-body stabilization, its lens ecosystem compensates. Scenarios like capturing a Formula One race or a wildlife safari highlight its prowess. Priced around $6,500 to $7,000, it's a premium investment for serious professionals. Number 2. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV remains a trusted workhorse for photographers and videographers seeking a balance of quality and versatility in a full-frame DSLR. Its 30.4 megapixel CMOS sensor, powered by the Digic 6 Plus processor, delivers detailed, colorful images with strong dynamic range, excelling in scenarios like weddings or studio portraits. The ISO range of 100 to 32,000, expandable to 102,400, handles dim venues well, though it trails some rivals in extreme low light. Its 61-point autofocus system, 41 cross type, is reliable for tracking subjects like kids or pets, while dual-pixel AF in live view shines for video and stills, offering smooth focus transitions. Speaking of video, it shoots 4K at 30 frames per second with a 1.64x crop, plus 1080p at 60 frames per second, making it solid for event filming despite the crop limitation. Battery life is 900 shots, sufficient for a day's work. At 800 grams, it's lighter than many competitors, easing strain on long shoots. While it lacks in-body stabilization and an articulating screen, its lens compatibility and 4K photo mode, extracting 8-megapixel stills from video boost flexibility. Ideal for portrait sessions, travel photography, or hybrid projects, it's a jack of all trades. Priced around $2,500 to $2,700, it's a dependable mid-range choice. Number 1. Nikon D850. The Nikon D850 is a masterpiece for photographers obsessed with detail, blending high resolution with versatility in a full-frame DSLR. Its 45.7 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, driven by the Expeed 5 processor, captures breathtakingly sharp images with exceptional dynamic range, perfect for landscapes, macro, or large prints. With an ISO range of 64 to 25,600, expandable to 102,400, it performs admirably in low light, though it's not the top pick for extreme darkness. The 153-point autofocus system, 99 cross type, is lightning fast and accurate, tracking wildlife or sports effortlessly. Video capabilities include 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 120 frames per second, appealing to filmmakers crafting slow-motion nature reels. The tilting 3.2-inch touchscreen aids awkward angles, and the weather-sealed body thrives in harsh conditions like stormy coastlines. Battery life is a stellar 1,840 shots, ideal for multi-day trips. At 1,015 grams, it's hefty but worth it for the quality. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enhanced connectivity, though it lacks GPS. No in-body stabilization means relying on VR lenses, but features like focus stacking and illuminated buttons cater to pros. Scenarios like expansive vistas, detailed studio work, or wildlife in motion showcase its strengths. Priced around $2,800 to $3,000, it's a premium, yet accessible choice for serious shooters.